Hey, welcome back YouTube. It's Captain DAVEMAN. Welcome to my channel, Treasure Hunt with Captain DAVEMAN. We're still at it. We're unboxing boxes and still no wife. She's just off too busy doing other stuff. I haven't found no purses or anything like that to impress her with, but she wasn't too impressed with the jewelry, so we'll keep on going without her. So without hesitation, let's move on. Creepy crawler box here. Full of creepy crawlers. Hopefully not. Oh no, it's another one of those boxes. Tweaker box.
I heard somebody miss me.
Hey, how you doing?
Well, I'm getting ready to run the errands for the mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
There she is. See, she's still around.
I'm still here. I'm just gonna have to go grocery shopping really quick. I'll be back.
All right, thank you, babe. Appreciate you doing that. Love you, hon.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Oh, that was nice. Nice little visit. Scrap metal into the scrap metal wheelbarrow. Oh, well there. You know what those are? Hacksaw blades. An engraver. Put that in the tool thing. A spoon. A stainless steel spoon. Don't know why it's there, but that's bizarre. Looks like dried grapes, like raisins. Strangest things you find in these ants. I don't like this box, not at all. Synthetic 550 motor oil. And a bunch of junk that needs to be thrown away. Didn't look in the mystery box here, did we? And in the mystery box we have space gun. Pew, pew, pew. Is that what it looks like, huh? It's for your hose. Turbo blaster, to be precise, sir. Turbo blaster. That's ridiculous. But okay. Turbo blaster. How about that? Oh wow. This is it. Woo! Score! Look at that. Brand new 100-foot extension cord. You know how much them puppies are? These are expensive. They're like $100. Nice. Really nice. I like that. Another little extension cord. Another, oh, kind of a okie dokie extension cord. I guess I can fix it. Another extension cord. Itty bitty extension cord. Yeah, that's all ratty. That's not any good. Yeah, some old rope. That's all deteriorated. That's cool. Brand new extension cord. It's a $100 cord, believe it or not. Oh, 18 car burglar. Peculiar. Yeah. Medicine. All right. Another one. Whew. Huh. Brand new video cassette holders for VHS tapes. Old burglar alarms. All right. Real-time complete introduction to Loco Script. Loco Script. Don't know what that is. Open that in a minute. Oh, here's one. Just maybe this one's already open. What are these? Compact floppy disks. Really? When was the last time you seen one of those? I imagine maybe on eBay they're still buying these too. So I imagine that's what's in that other box there. It's the same thing. Let me look. Yep. Same thing. Cassette tapes and a floppy disk. Dr. Logo and Help. I don't know. We talk about some dated stuff. Some more Maxwell floppies. Along with a heat bulb. Oops. 20-year paint roller. An old sprinkler. Wire. Let's see what we have. Looks like just paperwork here. Personal items, paperwork. Comprehensive desktop published and packaging marketing system. Okay. Like somebody might have been getting interested in doing some beehive stuff. First lesson in beekeeping. I have to go through that a little bit better later. We have a realistic clock radio. Probably go big on eBay. Well, that thing still has time on it. It's still working. And it's been in, what did I say that newspaper date was? (2008). Talking 12 years ago. The thing's still working from 12 years ago. That's just crazy. Wow. I'm impressed. Another air ionizer. Air ionizer. I'm going to put that back in here. Old crusty pair of glasses. Makes me feel kind of oogie. Another old crusty pair of glasses. A phone with caller ID. What will they think of next? Requires 40 to, let's see, is it new? Seal's broke. Yeah, it appears to be new. Still has that little, yeah, it's new. Wow. Not sure what it is yet. What the hell is that? Oh, infrared. I remember these things. They were supposed to be like you rub on your sore joints and stuff. It was supposed to put infrared heat into your... Yeah, whatever. Quackery. All right. You want to open a couple more? Let's open a couple more. What the heck? All right, I think we can squeeze in a couple more. What do we have here? Christmas, Christmas, Christmas time. Woo! Angel. Another angel. This little guy has a frowny face. Some adorable little brats. Save that for Christmas in July. Oh, nice. Brand new ones, Maxwell's. These are the ones that are worth a lot of money. What do we have here? Some kind of projector. Very lightweight. I just don't know. Instructioning for operating the Bromberg project a scope. What year do we have here? You gotta be kidding me, 1948? Oh no, I guess that's the address. I wouldn't be surprised. It looks like 1948. Old stuff. Some kind of old projector, anyhow. But it actually worked out for me that time. Bird feeder. I'm gonna open down here. See what we have. And we have a box. Check that out in a minute. We have a little stool. We have a little, whatever that thing is. Little fork and a spoon in that. Oh, we have one of them spread like fertilizer or grass seeds with. Have a little bit of problems here. Got something in this box. It's got a little fancy looks like it has poinsettias on it. It's probably a Christmas time thing. It's brand new, whatever it is. And then this little poinsettia thing, it has a matching lid to it. It's kind of stuck in there. Costa Linda, and it's just some kind of frosted, kind of a heavy bowl, glass crystal, I guess, maybe. Full lead crystal. Yeah, it's crystal. And there's a wood box. Nice little wood box. Really sturdy. $19.95. Speaker wire. And a speaker. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the bell. You never know. Maybe you see something you like. You can always contact me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Trust nobody, believe nothing. You have a God day.